Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. We're showing you today, this is the DKSO12 Fitzpatrick hammermill. Has a twin screw feed. Those are the DS225, I believe is the code of the blades. It's knife edge on one side, blunt edge on the other, as most of you know. You can rotate the rotor, that's why the pulley's on both ends. So you can run with the blunt side forward. The twin screw feeds or variable speed. Of course, the cover, single screen we have with it. Also note the bearings are jacketed. You see the port, there's 2 ports on each bearing for flowing water inside and out. We're going to have the specifications on drive, whatnot. It's a large main drive which hangs underneath the unit. Has a variable mounting, allow you to take the belts off easy. Same thing as well on the variable speed drive up top. We're running on 440 volts. We're going to show you the screw feed operating. Has a mechanical variable speed through this Reeves drive you see right here. And of course they turn in opposite directions, continuously feeding the material from the hopper into the moving mill. And you're not going to be able to hear me. We're clocking it running at about almost 4,700 RPM. On the side here, you can look at the back of the unit. Of course, it's on casters. As you see, I shut that off 40 seconds ago. Bearings are in nice condition, just coasting to a slow stop. There you go. We have lots of mills, processing equipment in our stock, as well as packaging. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.